Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about a very important health topic. Are eggs bad for fatty liver? We'll be discussing the facts and giving you our opinion on this topic. Let's get started. But before we get into it, go ahead and like this video, ring the bell for future notification, and make sure you subscribe to Foods Drinks for more science-proven health information. Nowadays, fatty liver is one of the most widespread health issues. This is caused by our stressful daily routine, an improper diet, and the overconsumption of fat and toxins. To help with this, we've put together a list of foods you should avoid and others you should include in your diet if you have fatty liver. Also, we'll answer a question many people have. Are eggs bad for fatty liver? Now let's see. Bad foods for fatty liver. As previously discussed, fatty liver is caused by an unhealthy diet and its result, obesity. If someone is suffering from fatty liver, the best course of action is to start a healthy diet and exercise program to get rid of the fat in the liver. Additionally, there are some foods that should be avoided by people with liver issues, such as those listed below. Fats. The liver is already full of fat, so it has difficulty processing more fats from food. For this reason, it is best to minimize or avoid eating high-fat items such as mayonnaise, butter, and dressings. Junk food. This food is the primary source of high levels of saturated fat, carbohydrates, and salt. It is important to remember that salt has a negative impact on the liver, so try to restrict the amount consumed at fast food restaurants. High-fat meats. It is beneficial to limit the intake of foods like red meat or shellfish, particularly shrimp, in order to prevent the body from having too much cholesterol and triglycerides, which can be very damaging to the fatty liver. Foods with a lot of sugar. Sugar is a major contributor to obesity around the world, so it is wise to limit or reduce consumption of it. Foods like bread, potatoes, chocolate, and ice cream are not recommended for those with fatty liver. Alcoholic beverages. When someone has fatty liver, the tissues in the liver become enlarged. Consuming alcohol in large or small amounts puts an extra strain on the liver, leading to an imbalance of cells which can cause permanent damage. Refined grains. Grains that have been heavily processed can be especially hard for the liver to process. It is advisable to choose whole grains instead, as they provide good amounts of fiber, which helps digestion and may even help one lose weight and reduce fat production. Now let's see good foods for fatty liver. It is not recommended to consume certain foods when it comes to fatty liver, but there are many that can aid in eliminating fat and maintaining the liver healthy. Eating foods that are high in fiber and healthy proteins can help speed up our metabolism and reduce the absorption of fat. To treat fatty liver, consider adding these healthy foods to your diet: lentils, carrots, chard, broccoli, oatmeal, whole grain foods such as brown bread and brown rice, apple, pineapple, and kiwi. Is the egg really bad for fatty liver? The egg is renowned for its high protein and vitamin content. It is composed of two distinct parts. Egg white. It is mainly composed of water and is utilized in the making of desserts and sweets due to its capacity to expand when air is added. Yolk. The yellow portion of an egg is widely known and contains the majority of the proteins and lipids. For a long time, there has been debate about the health effects of consuming eggs due to their calorie content, especially for those with fatty liver. It is known that eggs are a simple food to digest and provide essential vitamins for the body, but they are also high in saturated fats, leading to high cholesterol and triglycerides. All animal-based foods, such as milk and its derivatives, have similar health risks. A single egg provides around 200 calories and 500 milligrams of cholesterol, which might lead us to believe that it should be avoided. However, if we take a closer look, we can see that 70% of these calories and fats come from the yolk. Since this is the part of the egg that contains the most protein, it is also the part that contributes the most cholesterol to our bodies. Are eggs bad for fatty liver? When it comes to eggs, it is best to consume them in moderation for those with fatty liver. Preferably, just the whites should be eaten due to their healthy proteins and lack of calories from the yolk. If you don't enjoy eating just the whites, try to limit your consumption to 1 or 2 a week. We hope this video has given you some insight into the question of whether eggs are bad for fatty liver. Remember, everything should be consumed in moderation, and eggs can be a great source of healthy fats and protein. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.